conductivity cell filled with 0.01 molar KCl. So this is molar KCl. Gives at 25 degrees the resistance of 604 ohms. So what do we have? The conductivity. So conductivity of conductivity K is equal to 1 upon R into L by A. So from the first data, we are going to get L by A, the cell constant. So conductivity into R, is this clear? Check. Conductivity into R will be equal to what? Give me a minute. So, yeah, K is equal to 1 upon R into L upon A, correct. So therefore, from the first this thing, we'll get L upon A, the cell constant. So what do we get? This will give is filled with 0.0. No, wait a minute. Sorry, what is the problem? 604 into K was how much? 0.0014. So how much does that come to? So 604 into 0.0014. So that L by A is equal to 0.8456. Okay. Then what happens? Once you get L by A, okay, you can find out K over there. Because K will be for the second one. For the second, it gives a resistance of, now I'll write not for second, for silver nitrate solution. For silver nitrate solution, now K will be equal to 1 upon R. They have given. That gave a resistance of 6529. 6529 ohms दिया है. L by A does not change, which is what we calculated, 0.8456. So how much do we get? 6529 into 0.8456. So this becomes 5520. So K will be equal to 5520.9. So what will be the unit of K? This is is this many Siemens per centimeter. This is Siemens per centimeter. Now what are they asking? They are asking molar conductance of AgNO3. Molar conductance of silver nitrate. Okay. When we are talking of molar conductance of silver nitrate, that will be equal to 1000 into K by C. So molar conductance will be 1000 into K. K is how much? We calculate over here. 5520.9 divided by C. What was the concentration? 10 raised to minus 3. So 10 raised to minus 3 will go up. So this will be equal to quite a big number. Is this clear? We'll check. Molar conductivity of 10 raised to, so 1000 into K by C. So this will be, there is some problem. Ohm disconnected. Achha. So 1000, just let me get this right. Something is going wrong somewhere. K, the conductivity, is 0.014. R, the resistance was 604. So we got L by A. L by A once we got, for the second one, L by A remained constant. So he said resistance is 1 by R. Wait a minute. There is something over here that has gone wrong. Where is the pair? Okay, we'll try it over here. For silver nitrate solution, wait a minute. For silver nitrate solution, what did we get? K is equal to 1 upon R into L by A. So K will be 1 upon R. So 1 upon, what was the resistance given? 6529. This is where we went wrong. And what was this?
No battery.
So this is the mistake we have made. 1 upon R tha, so R was 6529, and into what did we get? We got this L by A was 0.8456. Okay, so what do we have? 0.8456 divided by 6529. So this value, now we are getting a correct answer. So now your K value becomes equal to 1.295 into 10 raised to minus 4. 10 raised to minus 4. Okay. Siemen per centimeter. So now this will become how much? So your molar conductance will be 1000 into 1.295 into 10 raised to minus 4 into 10 raised to minus 4 upon C, the concentration 10 raised to minus 3. So what is happening? This 10 raised to minus 3 and this 10 raised to minus 3 gone, bacha 10 raised to minus 1. So if this is 10 raised to minus 1, this is it. So we get 1.295 into 10 raised to 2. This will be in the unit of Siemens per centimeter per mole. It is clear. So this was the answer. Siemens centimeter square per mole. So get this right. So 1.295 into 10 raised to 2. Perfect, answer is correct. Is this clear? So I'll be sending you a video. You copy down aram se. Don't worry. Okay. Then anyway, this will be put up in the
No battery.
that we have to do. A conductivity cell filled with 0.1 molar KCl gives at 25 degrees centigrade gives at 25 degrees centigrade a resistance of 85.5 ohms. Okay, the conductivity of 0.1 molar KCl at 25 degrees centigrade is 0.011286 Siemen. Per ohm is always Siemen per centimeter. Siemen per centimeter. The same cell filled with 0.005 molar HCl gives a resistance of 529 ohms. Same type like the earlier one. What is the molar conductivity? What is the molar conductivity of HCl solution at 25 degrees centigrade? Okay, So first again same logic, we have K will be equal to 1 upon R into L by A. With this is for which solution? For 0.1 molar KCl. This is the first situation. So K into R will be L by A. Perfect. So what do we get? K into R will be, it is 0.1286 into 85.5 ohms. So how much does that work out to? 0.1286 into 85.5. So that will be, okay. So your L by A will be equal to 10.99, okay, per centimeter. So this is the first value we have got. Let's look at the second value. For second value, what do we have? K will be equal to 1 upon R into L by A. This is for how much molar HCl? 0.005 molar HCl. So K will be equal to 1 upon R. So in this case the R was 529 into 10.99. So that will be equal to 10.99 divided by 529. So that will be, K will be equal to 0.0207. See, it is Siemens per centimeter. The second part of the story. This is K for what? K for conductivity for HCl. Is this clear? Then the next one, what do we have? Molar conductivity. That is equal to 1000 into K divided by C. So what do we have? So that is 1000 into K is how much? 0.0207 upon C the concentration is 0.005. I am not shortening it, we can just do it like that only. So we have 1000 into 0.0207 divided by 0.005. So that will be equal to 4140. So this is 4140. This is Siemens centimeter square per mole. Siemens centimeter square per mole. Remember the units. It is clear, because in the board exam, if the units are not there, half a mark is very sincerely deducted. Is this clear? So this was the second sum. Just have a look at it. By the time I the molar conductivity of 0.05 molar barium chloride solution. Barium chloride solution at 25 degrees centigrade is how much? Oh, we have space. Is 223 Siemens centimeter Siemens centimeter square per mole. Siemens centimeter square per mole. What is the conductivity? What is the conductivity? Simple sum. What is the formula that we have? The molar kappa m, not lambda. Molar conductivity will be equal to 1000 into K by C. Or in other words, K, the conductivity will be equal to what? Kappa m into C upon 1000. So K will be equal to, what is this they have given? 223 point, that's all, 223 into concentration was 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon 1000. So it's very simple, 223 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 5. We'll calculate now. So how much will that be equal to? 223 into 5. So that is 223 into 5. So that is 1115. तो इधर 3 जाएगा. So 1.115 into 10 raised to minus 2 Siemen centimeter. This will be Siemen. This is Siemen per centimeter. So that is the value of K. So this is the third sum. We will take 2 lectures today and the next one also for solving so many problems. We got one full page. I don't know, I think quite a bit. Huh? So 2 lectures easily. So third, then the fourth one. Okay. The conductivity of the conductivity of 0.02 molar AgNO3 at 25 degrees centigrade is 2.428 into 10 raised to minus 3 Siemen per centimeter. Siemen per centimeter. What is the molar conductivity? Oh, simple sum. What is its molar conductivity? What is its molar conductivity? So what do we have? Kappa m is equal to 1000 into K by C. So your molar conductivity is 1000 into K is how much? This is 2.48 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon C is 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, this both get cancelled. See how easy it is. Such a sum can come as an MCQ also. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. And what do we have? So this into 10 raised to 2, that means, so that is 124 Siemen centimeter square per mole. See how I took this 10 raised to minus 2 in the numerator, it became 10 raised to 2. So that is how I shifted the decimal. Because normally answer is presented like this, not in digit form. Okay? A conductivity cell is filled with 0.02 molar sulfuric acid. Okay. A conductivity cell is filled with 0.02 molar sulfuric acid. Gives at 25 degrees centigrade sorry, a resistance of 122 ohms. Put a full stop. If the molar conductivity of 0.02 molar sulfuric acid is 618 Siemen centimeter square per mole. Okay, what is the cell constant? What is cell constant? So see, what do we have? We have K is equal to, so from all this, from this one, we can calculate K. But K will be equal to 1 upon R into L by A. It's the opposite of what we did in the first one. So using the second, so first find K, that is conductivity. Find K, the conductivity. So what do we do that? Kappa M is equal to 1000 into K by C. So what do we get? 618 618 into 0.02, that's the concentration, upon 1000 will be K. So what do we have now? Let's calculate this. So 618 into 0.02 divided by 1000. So that will be, K will be 0.01236 Siemen per centimeter. We got K. But what is the formula we have? K is equal to 1 upon R into L by A. So K into R now will be equal to L by A. So K will be how much? 0. It is 0.01236 into R, the resistance of 122 ohms, that is L by A. Let us calculate. Into array, it's very easy, already it's there, into 122. So that will be equal to 1.507. So L by A will be 1.5 per centimeter. L by A is 1.5 per centimeter. So this was one more thing which we have achieved. Is this point clear? So this was the fifth sum. Then we will go to the sixth. A conductivity cell is filled with 0.02 molar silver nitrate. A conductivity cell is filled with, a conductive cell is filled with 0.02 molar AgNO3 silver nitrate. Gives at 25 degrees centigrade, gives at 25 degrees centigrade a resistance of how much? 947 ohms. Put a full stop. Then if the cell constant, is how much? 2.3 per centimeter, what is the molar conductivity? What is molar conductivity of 0.02 molar AgNO3 at 25 degrees centigrade? At 25 degrees centigrade. So what do? First we calculate K. K will be equal to 1 upon R into L by A. So K will be 1 upon 947 into L by A is 2.3. I'll write it properly. 2.3. Okay. So what we get is 2.3 divided by 947. So that is, so your K will be equal to 2.42 into 10 raised to minus 3 ohm per centimeter. ये K मिल गया. Now what have they asked? Molar conductivity. Oh, then it's very easy. Molar conductivity will be 1000 into K by C. So molar conductivity will be 1000 into 2.42 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon C, that is 0.02. Your value is over, as simple as that. So this 1000 gets cancelled. Did we do the sum? So this will be how much? 121. I think we did this sum. So this will be so 121, what will it be? 121 Siemen centimeter square per mole. So this was one sum, sixth. Now we come to the, have a look at it, we come to the seventh sum.